How to turn off auto captions on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, click on Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. Click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. After you click on Settings and Privacy, simply scroll down and click on Accessibility. In Accessibility, you will find Captions option. Simply click on Captions option and turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, captions will be turned off. And this is how to turn off captions on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.